Hello, I just wanted to share with you this quick carnivore bread recipe. And I have to say that this is not my original recipe. I actually got this from the Carnivore Yogi, but everyone in the family that tried it really enjoyed it. So here you go. All right, so for this recipe, what you will need is 1 tablespoon of softened fat, 4 egg yolks. Be sure that it's egg yolks and not the entire egg because you will not get the same results. Half a teaspoon of baking powder, and I also added some salt to mine. This recipe right here is doubled. Now all I do is just stir the mixture together and I just put it on the stovetop. So you can use whatever cooking fat you would like. I like to add the bacon fat with it. And as you see, mine isn't like totally melted, but it gets the job done. All right, after that, you just simply stir the mixture and it should be like a gooey-like consistency when you are done mixing it. Once you've stirred the mixture, I just added a little bit of cooking fat. This was tallow to a hot pan. And then I just poured the mixture in and I tried to do a pretty thin layer. And after a few minutes, this is what it looks like. It's bubbling a little bit. And then all I do is just cook it probably for like 4 minutes on one side, and then I finish it off, I flip it, and then cook it on the remaining side probably for 3 minutes or so. Just kind of time it on medium heat on the stove. And if you don't want to flip it, if yours is too big, you can just pop it in the oven and finish the other side on broil just for a few minutes. So here are the end results right here. These hold up really well, and I just use, a butter knife and cut it into like little pieces for sandwiches. And as you can see, I took a bite and the taste was pretty good. And I'm just kind of bending it to show you here that it holds up pretty well. And I just added some ham and mayo for my family, and they thoroughly enjoyed this. So give it a try.